Well, good morning. I am going to test the car. It's either going to fire up with the fuel pump humming, and then most likely we'll see a surge, or it won't operate. Regardless, my fuel pump does eventually work, but just on cold days it seems to not be strong upon the crank. Once it gets running though, after a few seconds, it's fine. It's never died while running. So I've plugged in my microphone. Hopefully that'll help us hear. I'm going to give it a crank now, see what happens. Okay, so it did hum. I forgot to put the seatbelt on so that the beeping wouldn't happen. Put that on right now, just to verify one more time. Alright, so here's the turning it on one more time. So that time it didn't even crank after it humming twice. So I'm going to turn the key off. This time I'm going to put my foot to the floor on the accelerator. Foot to the floor. Nothing changed. So this time I'm going to cycle the fuel pump 3 times. Heard a hum there. Turning it off. Turning it back on. Second hum. Third hum. I'm going to crank it now. That one had a change in pitch. I'm not sure if it's noticeable in the recording, but it sounded like I heard 2 hums there. So again, once the fuel pump gets running, once the fuel gets to the engine, it is able to sustain itself with enough fuel to run while the engine's going. Yeah, so that's it.